Hello guys again. Today I will show you how we can activate the US side makers for a BMW E46 with the Carly adapter. So you can see I don't have the US side makers activated. You can see. So what we need to make now, just connect the Carly adapter. You can see them. And now with the phone we have to go. I am just connected with the Carly adapter. The ignition is on, you can see. So what we have to do, go to the customizations, check coding possibilities. Okay, like switch center, or in German is Lichtschaltzentrale. Read out what are the coding possibilities. Backup successfully created. Okay, so the first are the US side makers. Brake light, daytime running, but today we will want to see how we can activate the side makers. So now side makers US turn signal on. Use them turn signals at side makers in order to enable this option. Activate side makers as well. Code now. Voltage battery. Code anyway. Agree. Coding was successful. So side makers 2 we have to activate. Code now. Code anyway. We have to accept. Coding was successful. Okay, now let we see if it works. So you can see now are just on, but to a low voltage. You can see to a low voltage. We will blink. You can see. Now are out. So that was for today. Until next time, bye. If you wanna make the same, you can buy a Carly adapter. You have the link down in the description, or you can buy from anywhere else where you want. I have the link in the description, direct of the site of Carly, website of Carly, so you don't have to buy from eBay or somewhere else. So until next time, stay tuned with more videos.